Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Tour with Us for another morning ride. In our previous rides, we have visited places which are within 100 km from Bangalore. But this time we are going to visit a place which is quite a bit distance. If you guys haven't checked our videos, I'll provide a link in the description box, even in the iCard. For today's ride, we are going to visit Vani Vilasa Sagar Dam, which is around 180 km from Bangalore. The reason behind considering this place is that it's the oldest dam in Karnataka, which was built by the Maharaja of Mysore pre-independence across the river Vedavedi. So let's get into the video and check the location.
Good morning friends, I'm getting ready for the ride. It's 6:30 am in the morning. Today we are heading towards Vani Vilasa Sagar Dam, which is around 180 kilometers from my place. Along with us, Joy and Priyanka would accompany in the ride on the Harley. We are now heading towards Tumkur Road, and it is a pretty straight road. You don't have to take left and right. You have to just go straight, and definitely Google Map is the best way to reach the location. Morning rides are really cool to ride because the weather is pleasant, and moreover the main important thing is traffic is less. So after riding for around 60 kilometers, we stopped for a 10 minutes break. We again took the Bangalore-Mumbai highway road to reach the location, and then we have to take a left turn towards TH Road. Particular location falls under Hirur district of Karnataka. On our left side you can see there is a small green hill which is very beautiful. On the right side you would be seeing the windmills. In front of you, this particular beautifully decorated gate is the landmark towards our destination. In front of you is the location of Vani Vilasa Sagar Dam. So here there are steps to reach to the main location, but we have turned left and we are heading to see what's up there in the hill. And this happened.
A what?
We have seen the place to be a bit crowded as many people were there, and so we have decided not to go to the dam, and we thought of checking out some place to sit. Finally we found out a place to sit over there. It was very windy. The weather was really awesome.
Yeah, let's go.
Thanks to Karnataka government and Karnataka tourism for maintaining the roads and the places which are really beautiful. It's definitely a one-day trip from Bangalore. You can come up with your families, bring your lunch or breakfast, whatever is convenient for you, and you can sit here and spend a really good and quality time we clicked many pictures over there. This particular river is known as Vedavethi River. We also bought some food and had our breakfast over there. And now this happened. Just trying to give a pose. I hope you guys liked it, and definitely I'll recommend to visit this place. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it, subscribe it, and if you have any comments, please mention it in the comment section and I'll respond back to you at the earliest. And stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching it and giving your precious time.